We are completing a dosing problem. As we read the problem, Lasix is ordered 30 milligrams IV stat. How many milliliters will you give? We can solve this problem using one of three methods. The first approach that we'll look at is the dimensional analysis approach. In this approach, we always want to start with what is ordered, in this case the 30 milligrams. In dimensional analysis, we'll place the milligrams over 1 to make it look as a fraction. My next fraction I will use to cancel the milligrams, and I'm going to use the strength of the medication, which in this case is listed on the label. The strength of the med is listed as 20 milligrams per 2 milliliters, or in a simplified version, as 10 milligrams per milliliter. I can use either amount. Because of the ease of working with these particular numbers, I'm going to use the reduced fraction. I'll place 10 milligrams on the bottom of my fraction to cancel the label of milligrams. I'll place 1 milliliter on the top because that is the equivalent quantity. Milligrams cancels. To do my math, I take 30 divided by 10, which is 3, and my label is milliliters. The next approach is the nursing formula. In the nursing formula, we use the desired amount or the doctor's order first, in this case 30 milligrams. We place this over what we have. Again, we can use either dosage strength. I'm going to use the reduced one because of the ease of those numbers. So we have 10 milligrams, and that is in a quantity of 1 milliliter. The labels of milligrams cancel, which is essential for the nursing formula, and so 30 divided by 10 times 1 is again 3 milliliters. The final option to solve this problem is to use a proportion. Proportions are equal fractions, so we'll set up equal fractions. The doctor orders 30 milligrams, and I want to know how many milliliters that is, so I put that over x milliliters, what I hope to convert it to. Put my equal sign. In my second fraction, I have to have the labels in matching positions, so milligrams over milliliters. And then I use the strength of the med on the label, so in this case the 10 milligrams over the 1 milliliter. It would have been fine to use the 20 milligrams over 2 milliliters as well. And then I multiply on the diagonals, so 30 times 1 is 30. On the other diagonal, x times 10 is 10x. I divide both sides by 10, and I find that x is equal to 3. The label on that x comes right out of my proportion, is 3 milliliters.